Our dealer partners, our distribution partners, they don't want to spend time managing the operations of their business. Our partners want to spend time growing their business. Hey, my name is Aaron McKay. I am a digital operations manager. Still trying to figure out what exactly that means day to day. But basically, I'm heavily involved in any customer-facing digital property, whether it's my Sonance dealer portal, which is our e-commerce B2B portal that all of our dealers and just distribution partners use, or now getting involved in projects like Sonance.com, the reimagination of that. But I also get heavily involved on the operations side from a process perspective, also heavily involved in analytics, just providing business intelligence. I have been with the Sonance family for about 2.5 years. Born and raised in Orange County in Mission Viejo. Much prefer San Clemente. As soon as I could, I was down in San Clemente on a surfboard. Ended up proposing to my wife in San Clemente, getting married in San Clemente, and I have 4 kids, 2 boys, 2 girls. Now we only have 2 schools instead of 3 to drop off at, which is great. Being a parent, it never gets easier. Things change through the years. I think when early days, you just want sleep. You want someone to hold you and tell you everything's going to be okay. But as the kids get older, the physical demands maybe decrease a little bit, but you need to invest emotionally, relationally. Mysonance is a B2B or business-to-business e-commerce platform. It's a 24/7 one-stop shop for all things Sonance. So you can place orders, track orders, check inventory, confirm your pricing. If you want to pay a bill, you can do that there. You need access to product specs, documentation, pretty much anything you need in relationship to Sonance, you can get it on MySonance. Since the inception of MySonance going to market in July of 2021, we've brought on roughly 3,000 dealer organizations and 5,000 or so users. I think when you come into a project that isn't a 1 to 2 month project, it's a years-long project. And when you make that type of investment in something, it becomes very, very personal to you. Because you are so emotionally invested, you know the product, the output so well, you want it to do really, really well. And just like being a dad, right? You are so deeply invested in your children becoming successful human beings, learning to like the right music, which is really the most important thing about a human being. And at the end of the day, a healthy, flourishing MySonance is a project that delivers value for everyone across our entire organization, both internally and externally. MySonance is helping to deliver on that overall value proposition because that dealer can focus on selling the project, adding better solutions to the project that more effectively hide the speakers, hide the technology into the design of the home. And when that happens, it's just magic.